Understanding the hardware interfaces that are different
Right.
between the two products, because we use different vendors' parts and we're using a different processor even. And so I do a lot of analysis of different techniques to see which are the best techniques to get the best performance out of the hardware. And I also work closely with Bill on getting the reliability of the hardware up. We're particularly concerned about the fact that we have a high-speed SAS back end.
Right.
So we do a lot of work to
Stress testing.
stress test it to find out what kind of error rates we're seeing. Just yesterday I was working with one of our engineers that works on the packaging of the drives into what we call the MDA, the multi-disc assembly, who's worried about vibration. That's one of the things that he's worried about, and how we would go about measuring to see if there are any issues related to vibration, which would involve a variety of tests on it to determine whether certain drives in certain positions in the MDA experience worse performance than others, that performance drop being attributed to the fact that the vibrations are causing more missed seeks or missed revolutions in terms of reading the data. That's generally why vibration is important in disk drives, but maybe Bill could say more about that.
Well, we want to understand all the vibrations and from external events in the racks and out of the racks, things like that type of thing. So we're looking into how we're going to develop all those suites of tests. We have some now, and there's other suites that we want to develop as we go forward. And every drive is kind of a little bit different in that respect on vibration type of thing. You know, the hybrid ISE, you know, we want to get the performance there. We want to have our host ports there. We've gone from one host port on the original ISE to 4 host ports per controller, so that gives us a total of 8 host ports at 8 gigabits per port. Okay, so that's a lot of connectivity, okay, for our customers to use. On the back end, we've moved the back end to a SAS interface. Okay, we're going to have more flexibility in disk drives going forward, as SAS is the new technology. We've also bumped up our speed from 4 gigabits per second on the back end for fiber channel to 6 gigabits per second type of thing. So we're going to be able to take advantage of all of that bandwidth and throughput, okay, on that hybrid ISE, and as we move forward to other different data packs.